Is your kitchen counter always covered with wet dishes and puddles of water? The KitchenAid large capacity dish rack is designed to solve that problem with a spacious drying area, a rust-resistant frame, and an angled drain board that directs water back into the sink. But is it worth buying? Let's find out.
The biggest advantage is its large capacity, allowing you to dry more dishes at once without overcrowding. The angled drain board helps keep your countertop clean and dry, while the rust-resistant frame is designed for durability. Overall, the KitchenAid large capacity dish rack is an excellent kitchen organization tool for anyone looking to keep dishes neatly organized while reducing countertop mess. Its durable construction, efficient drainage system, and generous capacity make it a smart addition to any home. Check the affiliate link in the description below for today's best price. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more kitchen gadget reviews.